Ever had hiccups at the worst possible moment? Blame your diaphragm. This muscle under your lungs contracts suddenly and heek. That shuts your vocal cords, making the weird sound.
Okay.
Eating too fast, drinking soda, or even stress can trigger it. But don't worry, there's a way to stop it. Try holding your breath for a few seconds, sipping ice-cold water, or breathing into a paper bag. It actually works.
Oh, clap, 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 clap.
Oh, and did you know someone had hiccups for 68 years?
Oh my God.
Follow us for more mind-blowing facts.